Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really nice, beautiful, stylish air purifier for large rooms or even for the whole home. So it works easily for room sizes up to 1000 square feet or even more. It's a really nice one, has a lot of functions, has 3 different levels of speed, where the first one is already very silent, but we even have a night mode which is even more quiet, so it's absolutely no problem to sleep. We even have a night light here on top which you can activate into different levels. We have a 3-stage filtration, we have a child lock, we have even some timer function. There's also a filter reminder, and it comes even with this 4 soft rubber feet. And there's a really nice extra, we get even this diffuser pad for essential oils, which is super easy to use. And so it has basically everything what we need. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box, how to set it up, and then how to use with all the functions. And so here we have the large box. We can see the model type is BD02U. We have some of the nice specs or features, but let's open the box, see what we get. Comes nicely protected with a lot of foam. And so here we have it. So 2 very important things here on top. We have all the accessories, everything. Power supply is underneath in the filter, and we also have to remove the plastic bag from the filter. So this is what we are going to do. So first, of course, we remove this plastic, and we can already tell here that's a very beautiful, very well designed air purifier. And so we turn it around. And so we rotate the lid at the bottom counterclockwise. And so here we have the filter and the power supply. And we can also see here inside very nice, beautiful, clean design. And so we take out the power supply, remove this cardboard. And so here we can see this very efficient 3-stage filter. We have the pre-filter mesh outside. After that we have the HEPA filter, and inside we have the charcoal filter, which especially filters out all the bad smell. And so we put the filter back here inside. Make sure that you have this strap on top so you can remove it easily when you have to replace it. And after that we put back the lid. We have to find the right spot, and then we turn it clockwise to secure it. You can also see it has these 4 soft rubber feet down here. Absolutely awesome, so we are not scratching any sensitive surface. Has a really good stand. On top we have the essential oil diffuser. There is already a pad here inside, but we get also 4 spare pads, so we can use that already and put a couple of drops of essential oil on it and then align it again and close it. Then we plug in the power supply into normal 110 volts and connect the other end to the air purifier. And so we can turn it on with just a light push, because these are really nice sensor buttons, and it goes automatically into the level 1 of the fan and turns on the light. And so you can see we are very close and there's almost nothing to hear. And yeah, we can go into level 2, which is definitely a little bit stronger. You can hear that, but I would say this is really nice for everyday usage. So what we see here is that all the air is going nicely up, so it's not going to the side, so it's not going to annoy you when you have it close to you, maybe in the office or so. And then we have even level 3. So for example, after cooking, this would be absolutely awesome. But even in this position, when there is a lot of air, it's not really loud. And then we have the night mode. You can click here again. It will turn off the whole display, and it will go into a super silent mode where it's even more quiet than on level 1. It's almost impossible to hear that, so I stopped talking here for a little bit. Yeah, almost nothing to hear, absolutely fantastic. And when we push again, it will cycle into level 1. So I turned down the light a little bit here inside, so you can see the light on level 1, really nice for the night. But you can also increase it to level 2 or turn it off completely, and the fan will still be spinning. On the other side, we cannot turn on the light without the fan. The fan has to be spinning when we want to use the light. And then we have a child lock. When we push here on the left side in the middle for 3 seconds, you can see gives this nice lock and nobody can do anything. Really nice for children or pets. And when we want to unlock it, we have to push for 3 seconds again. and here down is the filter reset. You have to push for 3 seconds, but of course you can only do that when you get the filter replacement warning after 1400 hours and you have replaced the filter. Then you can press for 3 seconds and it will reset the warning. And as a nice extra, on the right top we have the automatic timer. You can set it to 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or bring it back to always on. Yeah, absolutely awesome. I would say this is as good as it gets. Awesome design, very quiet, powerful, good filtration, easy to operate, very safe. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.